So in today's class we will be learning about, I will be telling you, I will be give you a solution of exercise 2 and I will be give you shoutouts of who people will do me, give me a solutions. Okay, so now I will not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's get it started. So, like I haven't tell you that today's video is coming about the solution and shoutouts of those people who will be complete this exercise. What I will be given, like I will be here. I will be pick like one shout out. I will be give like one people. He will be do very best thing. What I will be tell him into the exercise too. Why what I will be giving homework. So it will be do like that. And here you will be said I will be giving the shout out of Sam Hassan. Okay, so it will be like build that what I will be give like, and I will be like fork it for the ripple Sam Hassan. It will be done like very good. So I will be fork it like that, and now like I will be posted, so it will be made like that, and so I will be run it like that. So now let's see and enter the hour. So I will be write like 4:40. So it is very enjoyable. Okay, it will very enjoyable, and okay, it is, who will be give this homework. So I okay, so wrong time, enter it, good night, good afternoon. It is very what to do this, so I will be enter, here I will be go, and here I will be write like R4, good morning. Okay, it is very enjoyable. We will rebuild it. Yes, Sam Hassan, it is clap for Sam Hassan. It will be make very beautiful. What I will be giving him the exercise. It will give a solution. So it is very good. Like good morning and like goodbye. No, nice. Okay, it will give like very good. So like I write like here. I will be again run and the I will be write like 10. Good morning. It is very good. Okay, it's good, good, totally. So I will be writing like 18. Oh, good night. Because it is an analog clock. Sorry, it will be the analog clock. Like it will be the like dash clock. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is not like that clock. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. It's like a that clock. Look. So look, like I will be write like 24 because 24 the I will be write like 24, so it will coming the 12 p.m. is the 24. Like I will be writing the wrong time enter it. So there will be say this coming like that. So I will be write like 12 good afternoon. Well, okay, so it is very good. But Sam Hassan will be very good. He will be made like what I will be give him homework. It will be very totally like good. So because it's a off rip, and I will be give you another exercise in next class. So get ready for this, and I will be give like solution is very good, and I will be giving shout out. So I hope you can enjoy this class, and it's a small class because I will be giving a solution and shout out. That's why it's a small class, and the second class will be also a small class. Why I will tell you, because it is an exercise I will be giving. So sorry. So now I will meet you in next class and next very amazing class for today. Goodbye.